A few things that we will keep in mind while doing numericals on area related triangles. That is, our final answer always has to be positive. Yes, indeterminate. What we come across is both positive and negative. But since we're talking about area, it's always positive. On the contrary, when we're doing the other way around, if the area is given and we have to find an unknown, we take both positive and negative to calculate. What I mean is, I'll give an explanation over here. Given the area of triangle, say to be equal to m. Now, say they want us to find x1 and everything else is, or every other coordinate is given. And so keeping this in mind, what we can do is we can take the modulus not the modulus, determinant x1 is the unknown, and write all the other values. And we can equate this to plus or minus m. That's what it means. Just don't equate it to m plus or minus m. Right? And do the calculation and everything. And you will get to solve for x with two different scenarios. And x can have two different scenarios. Again, remember, we can have the same area by changing the coordinates a bit. So we'll get to see that actually. So let me try it out here. I'll show it to you guys. For that, I need to keep in mind what values I'm writing. Just a second, let me put it on a paper. I have a textbook question itself. I'm going to do that. So we have 1 and 3. Oh, my bad. Okay, this is 1, 3. Then we have 0, 0. Then we have 3 and 0. So say this is in meters. This is one possibility. Okay, let's keep this in mind. Similarly, what I'll do is this value, right, x3 value, I'm going to put minus 3 and 0. That would be the difference. And yeah, by the way, the area over here is 4.5. So let me write that also. So this is 4.5 meter square. Again, I'm executing this. Oh, I need to stop this first. So here the coordinates again are 1 and 3, 0 and 0, and we have minus 3 and 0 meters. So we have the same 4.15 meter square, but how it looks, yeah, that I agree, it's different. That's the whole point, right? The coordinates are different, obviously it will look different, but the area will remain the same. Can you see that? The area, where is it? Yeah, area is 4.5 meter square, and in the previous, okay, it went off. I thought I could scroll it down. Anyways, good that we wrote it over here. So this too is 4.5 meter square. So basically we are changing, I don't know which coordinate. Anyways, it doesn't matter. You guys got it right? So this particular scenario, we will get two different answers. Okay, moving on at last. If we have third line of a triangle to overlap over here. So in this case, how much is this? So this would be, I guess, let me have a look. It's around 1 and 1.5. So same set of values. This is 0 and 0. Okay. So in place of 0, 0, if I put 1 and 1.5, let's see what happens. So 1 and 3, that will not change. 1 and 1.5. And the last one is minus 2 and minus 3, sorry, not minus 2, minus 3 and 0 meters. Okay, I think I missed it. This is, oh, 1 and, no, it is 1.5 and minus 1, my bad. 1.5 and minus 1, okay. It is minus, no, 1.5 and minus 1 only. And we have minus 3 and 0. Again, I missed it. Let me take a second. I think I got it this time. Minus 1 and 1.5. Yes, I got it. So what is happening over here? We have a straight line. If I consider this as a triangle, what would be the area of this triangle? It will be 0. And these three lines are known as collinear. Collinear means on the same straight line. Right? Straight line. So area of a triangle formed by three collinear points is 0. So that's your third point. So based on all of this, we have numericals. And of course, conceptually too, you guys should be knowing this. And this is what we need to know. And the example which I took over here is 1, 3, 0, 0. It's one of the answers in your book. Not answers. Yeah, answers only. That is one of the possibilities. And here in place of 0 and 0, I have 1 and minus 1 and 1.5. Minus 1 and 1.5, which I derived from this particular figure. And this is minus 3 and 0. So you guys can make use of this. And you can see the same graphs. Okay, yeah, you can copy.